Ballina in New South Wales, and I'm watching my hubby surf out there at the peak, and it's pretty small, but at least he's getting some waves. Anyway, I thought I'd do a painting. I've got a few things set up. Got my clean edges ready to go, and great inspirational view here at the beach. And yeah, let's see what I can come up with. So obviously I'm going to paint something beach orientated. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to paint, but you'll soon see, and so will I. See you guys. Thanks for watching. my painting, guys. I hope you like it. I'm pretty pleased with the results. Pretty simple wave, but sometimes that's best. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.